Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping the fruit and environment. This reduces shocks and preserves potency. Hold the lightning fruit with insulated gloves and non-conductive tongs so your body isn't the path. Once done, clear a 1-meter radius free of metal and devices to avoid accidental conduction. Slice only with ceramic or plastic tools to avoid grounding. You do this because the fruit stores charge in localized pockets. Minimizing conductors keeps that charge available for controlled use rather than wasteful discharge. Now you extract the charge safely by scoring and segmenting. Score the rind with shallow 3mm cuts to guide separation while avoiding central punctures where charge pools. Once scored, pry segments into a plastic bowl. Separate visibly charged pockets first because they hold the strongest current. Make sure to work over a grounded Faraday mat if you plan larger yields. This captures stray arcs. You do this to isolate energy hotspots and to control how much charge you harvest per segment. Finally, you activate the fruit by tapping the segment edge to direct a small spark. Short, precise taps release charge without shattering the tissue. Once activated, use the energy immediately for the intended effect because it dissipates quickly. If you see persistent arcs, neutralize leftover charge with a controlled saltwater rinse while wearing protection. If nothing happens, rest the fruit for 10 to 15 minutes. It rebalances internal ionic gradients and often regains usable charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.